Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use CustomCat in 2025 to create and sell print-on-demand products, like from connecting your store to publishing your first design. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on customcat.com and create your free account. Once you have done that, the second thing that you need to do is to simply connect your store with it. So here, click on the option of connect store. After that, you can select any of the platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Etsy. So here you need to connect your store with it first. Only then you will be able to create your product. So once you have the create product option enabled, simply click on the option of create single listing. Once you have done that, you will have to choose what you want to sell, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, etc. So let's say I want to choose this one. So you need to click on the add option, and then it will redirect you here on this editing page. Now over here you can either upload your own design by clicking on this design option here in the top right hand corner of the screen, or you can also select any of these colors that are available here, then select the sizes. If you have selected the t-shirts, you can also select the base price of this particular product, and you can just change the color and add the designs. So once you have done that, once you are publishing the product, you need to make sure that you add the product related title, description, and the pricing. Make sure that you leave enough margin between your cost and the selling price so that you can earn profits on every order. Now once you are done with it, simply click on the option of publish in the top right hand corner of the screen, and when a customer places an order, CustomCat prints, packs, and ship it directly, so you can track the order status right from your dashboard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.